Alright folks, here we have a TrailBlazer Activ all-wheel drive. It's got the little turbo in it, a little 3-cylinder. The air filter monitoring that's on the dash says that it's at 20%. Now, I don't see any sensors on it, so I don't know how it goes by that. Maybe by miles, because this is about almost 25,000 miles. Anyway, you want to do the air filter? This is what we got to do. All right, you need the little panel removing tool. You're gonna pop these little clips off, pop off the center, okay? Lift it right underneath like that, and then take your tool underneath and you lift the rest of it up. Put it out of the way, don't lose your clips. Over here in the front, there's two little clips here. You just squeeze in, okay? Squeeze it from the bottom. Once you go and you squeeze them in, both sides, this will lift up just a little bit until you reach in and remove these clips. Just got to peel them back a little bit, one on each side, and then this whole piece will come out like that. Over here, got a Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 of them, Phillips screws. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and 4. Once you unscrew them, then this top cover will come out. Once it comes out, then you get a peek at your air filter and you see exactly where you are. 20%. What's funny is that this air filter is not stocked at the local auto store. You have to order it. Don't know why. It's a little funny triangle looking color. Not color, but shape. So maybe that's what it is. But here it is here, people. Just move over. Got 2 hands, it'll be easier. Lift it up out of the way. Let's take a look at the filter. Okay, yeah. The filter's dirty. There's an original GM one. It's got the Fram colors on it with the orange. But that is the original one. I'm going to have to order it from the store. AutoZone. Take about a day to get. Alright. Before you change it, make sure you blow out all that debris that's in there before you put it back. So reversal is the same way. Just knock some of this stuff off. Reversal is the same way. Just go underneath. Top of these screws, they might cut your hands. That sits like that. This sits like this. Easy peasy. 4 screws. Snap, snap. Okay, these are clips here. 1, 2. Just push it right in. Okay. These clips over here, they push right in these slots. Snap, and then you put your little retainers in. Right. These will go through the hole here, into here, and then you push the tab and you lock it in. And that's it. And you are done. Air filter 101. Not too bad with this car. I'm surprised they still use Phillips screws. But anyway, that's it. Nice. 3-cylinder with a turbo. Haven't road tested yet. Hope it has power. Came from California, so I made it to the East Coast. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.